Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of automobiles to explore the top-notch suspension systems. Get ready to discover the best Struts brands that guarantee a smooth ride and optimal performance for your vehicle. Let's rev up the excitement. Number 1. Detroit Axle, where performance meets precision. If you're craving a smooth, stable ride for your car or truck, look no further. Detroit Axle Struts redefine driving comfort. Their cutting-edge engineering transforms every bump into a whisper, ensuring your vehicle glides effortlessly on the road. Crafted with unmatched durability, these struts promise longevity that outlasts the toughest terrains. Installing them was a breeze, thanks to their user-friendly design. Say goodbye to jolts and hello to a serene driving experience. Plus, the sleek, modern design adds a touch of sophistication to your vehicle's aesthetics. Upgrade your ride with Detroit Axle Struts, the ultimate fusion of form and function. Number 2. AutoShack Struts, unleash the road warrior in your ride. Automobile collision. Rev up your car or truck's performance with AutoShack Struts, the ultimate game-changer for your vehicle. With these struts, you'll experience an exhilarating blend of precision, stability, and comfort on the road. The thrill begins the moment you hit the gas pedal, as AutoShack Struts elevate your ride's handling to a whole new level. Crafted with unbeatable quality and engineered for durability, these struts are the perfect match for the road adventurer in you. Conquer twists, turns, and rough terrain with ease, all while enjoying a smooth, responsive ride. Upgrade to AutoShack Struts today, and let your vehicle's true potential shine. Number 3. Monroe Struts, unleash your ride's potential. Rev up your car or truck with Monroe Struts, the ultimate driving companion. Engineered for perfection, this brand transforms your ordinary ride into an extraordinary journey. Picture smooth rides, impeccable stability, and unmatched control. That's the Monroe promise. Crafted with cutting-edge technology, these struts redefine comfort and safety, ensuring you conquer every road with confidence. Say goodbye to bumps and hello to precision handling. Whether you're cruising city streets or tackling rugged terrains, Monroe Struts elevate your driving experience to new heights. Don't settle for average, upgrade your ride with Monroe and let your car or truck shine. Buckle up for the adventure of a lifetime. Number 4. Nareshri, the ultimate game-changer for your car or truck's suspension system. These struts are like the secret weapon your vehicle never knew it needed. Say goodbye to bumpy rides and hello to smooth, responsive handling. Nareshri's top-notch engineering ensures maximum durability and reliability, giving you the peace of mind you deserve on the road. Whether you're a daily commuter or an off-road enthusiast, these struts will transform your driving experience. Buckle up for a smoother, safer, and more exhilarating journey with Nareshri, the struts that turn ordinary into extraordinary. Number 5. CCIYU Struts, your go-to solution for an unbelievably smooth ride in your car or truck. These struts are the unsung heroes that keep your vehicle handling like a dream. With CCIYU, you're not just buying struts, you're investing in unparalleled comfort, safety, and performance. Say goodbye to bumpy rides and hello to the road-hugging stability you've always craved. These struts are a game-changer, elevating your driving experience to a whole new level. Don't settle for less, choose CCIYU and experience the road like never before. In conclusion, choosing the right struts for your vehicle is essential for optimal performance and safety. We've explored the top brands in the market, each offering unique features to cater to various needs. Whether it's durability, comfort, or handling, these brands have you covered. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helps you make an informed decision for your next strut purchase.